GoMoWorld eSIM discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about GoMoWorld, and I'm going to be telling you how you can get yourself an eSIM. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to scroll down to the description, click the link, and the description you will find some promo codes and discount codes, and that link will take you to the website where you can go ahead and sign up. Now, once you've signed up, you should be good to go. You can sign up by using your Google account or any other socials. As you can see, I'm already logged in. So let me just click on the login button over here, and I'm going to go ahead and sign up by using Google, and we should be good to go. And once you've signed in, you should be good to go. Then you can just simply scroll down. You can go ahead and download the application. It's available both on iOS and Android. 1 GB free on the select destinations only, so make sure you check them out. And it's as simple as that. So you select your destination, pick the data plan most suited, download the GoMo app, and follow the easy on-screen instructions, activate your plan, and you're good to go. Down below, these are all the destinations and the most popular destinations, and these are the 3 plans. So we've got the weekly and the monthly, and then we have the monthly plus, which is like $29.99, but this one gives you quite a large number of data. So 7 days, you get 2.5 for Europe, 2 GB for almost all the other countries except for Spain, Italy, UK, Switzerland, France, and Egypt. France and Egypt has 1.5 GB, so keep that in mind. And then we have the 30-day one. You can see right here how much data you have. And then we have the 30-day one. So you can go ahead and select whichever one you want. It's quite simple. So over here at the top, you're going to select your destination, right? So let's say we want to go to United States, select the US, and these are the plan. And these are all of the compatible devices for all the other companies as well. So we got almost all of the iPhones, Samsungs, Google phones, Motorola, and everything. If you have some other phones like the Fairphone or the Nokia or Sony or Xiaomi, then these are the phones that are available here as well. Then all you got to do is just select one of the plans, click on confirm United States, and you should be good to go. So you need to do this on your phone for it to work, but for now, just wanted to show you how you can go ahead and get started with it. And again, make sure you check the link in the description below to download the app and basically, save your money. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.